Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing well, and I have a small Etsy sticker haul for you guys today. So I'm going to bring out my Erin Condren, flip to a blank set of boxes, just for sizing reference if you guys care to see. So first I'm going to start with this green envelope. My nails are off. I've chewed my natural nails, and I'm sorry. They look rough. I was going to go get them done today, and then when I got around to it, all the nail shops were closed. Isn't that lovely? So this first envelope is from HurricaneRandi. If you guys watched my last haul, there was a mix-up, and then my mix-up got mixed up, and it was craziness. But she's fantastic, and she decided to offer to send me some more stickers in place of it, which I appreciate. So here I have this little die cut of a kawaii beer guy, which I don't drink beers, so can we call that like a root beer float? Or root beer? But he's cute. And then we have a Casey's Favorites sampler here on matte sticker paper. So we have a glitter quarter box, and just all these pretty little hearts, a llama, the little unicorns, and you can use KCH for 40% off any order. And you'll get this sampler. And then she sent me the cutest little, this is one of her new releases, it's these little elephants, and the name of this kit is Stronger. And this is the mini version. She does have an ultimate or full version. So the first page has 4 full boxes, and the quote box says, "Remember that you are stronger than you think," which I need to remember that quite often. And then you have 3 more full boxes here, and then some icons, date cover-ups, a weekend banner, and then habit trackers, build-dos, and quarter boxes, and then a full sheet of half boxes with 4 flags. So this is a mini kit, so you do kind of have to make it work if you plan like I do. But I really appreciate it, Randy. Thank you so much. And I went back and ordered from her again during the monthly, was it monthly planner madness or planner extravaganza? I went ahead and got a 4th of July mini kit because I'm thinking that far ahead, which is actually funny because I think that's the week that I'm on in my planner. Yeah, 4th of July week. That's hilarious. Not intended, not intentional. Okay, and then here I have Tarin's Sticker Shop. So it says Happy Mail from Tarin's Sticker Shop. She was part of a sale not too long ago. I just ordered 1 kit from her, and my invoice is in here. So I'm going to get rid of that because I don't need you guys to see my address or anything. Okay. So first up, included as the freebie was this "You is kind, you is smart, you is important, the help." And it's this little bear, and this says Tarin Sticker Shop, so it's a journaling card. Like so. It's very pretty. There it is compared to the Erin Condren. And then I got my Easter kit from her, which I think this was a mini kit. Was it listed as a mini? Yes, this is her Easter mini kit. Matte. I got the kit plus glitter headers. Regular price is $11 in her shop. So here are the glitter headers. Here is a little mini sheet with the weekly ombres, icons, and check flags. Here are the full boxes. They're very cute, and this one says "I believe in chocolate for breakfast." And we have painting the eggs, and then baskets and a bunny. So very cute. The cuts seem very nice. This is the first time I've ordered from her shop. I stumbled across it, like I said, during that sale. And then this page here has some little things, some various headers, all of your boxes, appointment labels, a habit tracker, and a build do. And then this has your bottom washi, 3 heart checklist, and then your weekend banner and functional items. I really appreciate the way her mini kit is set up because I still get, oh, this box here is all washi. It's cut washi here. Like that. Whoops. See what I mean about it being cut really well? And it's very sticky. This is matte permanent. And so you get all your full boxes plus this washi, and you still get little things in half boxes and bottom washi. And then, I mean, technically she could have combined those onto one page, but it must have been easier to cut for some reason. So I very much enjoy this kit, and I will be using it for the week of Easter. Alright, and my last package here is from Brittania Nicole, and this is a very special kit, and you guys will find out later in April what it's about, but in the meantime I wanted to share it with you just in case you wanted to buy it, because it will be in her shop for purchase Monday the 26th, I think. No. Yes, Monday the 26th. So if you like this kit, you can go buy it Monday the 26th of March, which I think is 2 days from now. Or by the time you're seeing this video, it'll be tomorrow. So it has this really cute Happy Mail sticker on this very cute leopard or giraffe print paper bag. And there is an invoice in here. So let me get that out. She sent it with this cute little washi, taping up the plastic bag. Okay. So like I said, I had an invoice in there. And let's put this aside and put that over there. Okay. So first up here is her March freebie. You get some little checklists, a half box, quarter box, and a full box with the butterflies, and hers is matte sticker paper. And here's page 1 of her kit, so you get 8 full boxes and 4 quarter boxes. Bottom washi, headers, and habit trackers. Here are your checklists and more quarter boxes. Weekend banner, icons, a weekly box, and another check box for the sidebar. 8 half boxes and 4 flags. Then you have your cut washi strips, date covers, bill due, 3 heart checklist. This one has rounded corners. Woo. You have a scallop box, a scalloped half box, 2 scalloped quarter boxes, a movie marquee, a payday, and a day off. And then on page 6, you get the regular checklist flags, some script words, even down this little side here. Me time, Friday, date night, coffee, laundry, hump day, lazy day. All your little things. And then these very, very, very cute bow quarter boxes. Which, I don't know, today I think I'm just going to be pulling stickers off. So that's everything that I got from Brittania Nicole. And me personally, I'm not a huge fan of the Fashion Girl, so I might swap this box for these butterflies on her March sampler, because I feel like I could get away with those with the kit, but I may not. You never know. So you'll have to wait and stay tuned for a spring spread in April to see how I do this kit. So that's everything that I got in this haul this time. If you're interested in any of these shops, the links will be down below in the description bar. And if you want to join the Plan With Me Design Group Facebook page for all kinds of fun stuff, we share spreads, videos, any coupon codes if we're PRing or anything like that. We share them in that group. It's a really fun group. We're pretty laid back, not a lot of rules. So if that sounds like something you'd be into, head on over to that link and join the Facebook group. Or you can just search Plan With Me Design Group on Facebook, and you should see me and Liz and Liz's Planning Passion, Beth Graves, all those ladies are in there. Brittania Nicole's in there. So if that seems like something you're interested in, head on over and check that out. But that's all I got for you guys today. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.